How to manage inventory in darkest days. Bag full again. This guide shows you how to manage your inventory like a pro in darkest days. Don't let junk take up space. Use the dismantle feature on common white tier items. This turns useless gear into weapon scraps, which take up less space and are used for future upgrades. Always keep your bag clear for rare loot. Your backpack is for exploring. Your storage chest is for survival. Whenever you return to base, use the Deposit All Materials button. This clears out all your wood, stone and metal so you have a fresh bag for your next run. Need more room? You can expand your inventory by spending coins or gems. Tapping the plus icon at the bottom of your bag adds a new row of slots. It's a great long-term investment for serious scavengers. Stay organized and stay alive. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days inventory tips.